How to build a 50K per month AI influencer, the 2026 blueprint. What if I told you that you could build a fully automated influencer that doesn't exist, it doesn't sleep, and can generate thousands of dollars per month? This is not the future, it is already happening. In this video, I am going to show you the exact blueprint to build a 50K per month AI influencer in 2026. Step by step, using tools that you can directly access from your laptop. And the best part is that you don't need to show your face or have any followers to start. So let's get into it. Now the first step is creating your influencer. This is where tools like Midjourney come in. You can also go ahead and go along with Pika, but I suggest Midjourney. Now this is where tools like Midjourney come in. You will generate a consistent character, and this could be a fashion model, it could be a fitness influencer, lifestyle creator, or even a niche specific personality. It already provides you with a bunch of styles and templates that you can get started with, so you don't have to start something from scratch or just completely do a very beginner friendly setup. Now the key here is consistency. You're not just generating random images or a random avatar, you're building a brand identity. Same face, same style, and same vibe. Because this is what makes people follow. Now, to do this, it's pretty simple. Simply go over to Create for Midjourney. You can go ahead and select a plan that suits you the best. You can simply join the community and select the plan that you think goes well. And later on, you can go over to the mega plans, which is going to be really great as you work up and scale up. Now that you have your influencer that you've created, you need content. And this is where AI video tools like Luma Dream or simply OpenArt comes in. Now this is where AI tools like Luma Dream Machine or Pika Labs come in. You can turn images into videos and create cinematic scenes and also animate your entire character with just dropping in one image. So instead of static posts, you now have scroll stopping content, and this is what makes your account actually grow faster. It's pretty easy to use Pika or simply Luma Dream Machine. If you're using Pika or Luma, it's pretty much the same thing. You have a simple interface where you're going to type in your prompt, you're going to type in a proper prompt, and then just the basic settings right below. And then you also have a bunch of Pika effects or just a library of templates, and you can scroll down and go along with the style you think looks great. You can also completely create your own style if you don't want to go along with any of these. Now, to make your influencer feel real, you can add voice. Now for this, you can simply go over to 11 Labs and generate realistic voiceovers. And in my opinion, 11 Labs is very beginner friendly and super efficient when it comes to generating voice or just need a voice cloning tool. So once you have your influencer, you can tell stories or share options. You can also simply just get a text to speech, which is super easy as well. Or you can drop in a recording of your voice if you want it to be featured. And then you can share opinions, narrate videos, or just make storytelling content. And this is where it goes from AI content to an actual personality that you're going to give to your influencer. Now, once you have visuals and voice, you can combine everything. You can use CapCut on your laptop. You can add in captions, or you can use other video editing tools. You can sync voice with these visuals that you created in 11 Labs. It's pretty easy. You can simply log in to your account, and then you have a text to speech, you have different sound effects. You can also upload your voice and simply clone it, and then simply click on generate speech and download it. Now along with this, you also have multiple voices that you can preview or hear them before actually generating the speech. And then just select the one that you think is great. Just make sure it has a perfect style, it's personalized. You can also just upload your voice and clone it. Now just bring it all into different editing tools that you're using. If you're using CapCut, then you can also sync voice with the visuals and add music and transitions. Just keep your video short, engaging, and optimized for attention. This step is where content becomes viral ready. Now you need distribution. Post consistency on platforms like Instagram and TikTok is really efficient, and it's going to help you scale up. Just focus on short form videos, and along with that, trendy formats or just the ongoing trends and consistent posting. Growth comes from volume and consistency. One viral video can change everything and get you the attention and boost up your algorithm completely. Now, monetizing your AI influencer is also important because this is where the money comes in. Once your page grows, you can monetize through, you can affiliate marketing or just promote your products along brand deals and just have companies pay you for exposure and have digital products for selling presets, guides, or courses. And you're not just creating content, you're actually building an entire business just based off these certain applications. Now your goal is to scale $50,000 per month. Reaching $50,000 isn't about one post, it's about scaling. You'll create multiple accounts, you can test different niches and create different influencers and automate your workflow. The more content you produce, the higher your chances of success. And this is where the blueprint turns into an entire system and workflow. Now, a lot of people fail because they just end up with the same beginner mistakes, and these are the mistakes that you need to avoid, especially if you're a first time creator or just creating an influencer brand. People don't often stay consistent, and this is where the flow breaks and the algorithm isn't boosted enough. Also, using low quality visuals is going to put you in a spot where you're not going to get consistent results. And not building a clear identity. If you're just going to create different influencers with different voices and not staying consistent with your entire personality and influencer, then it is not going to work and you're going to fail. Remember that this is still content creation, so quality and consistency really matters, and that is what's going to make you win. AI influencers are one of the biggest opportunities right now. You don't need a camera, you don't need a team. You just need the right tools and a clear system. And along with that, you can simply scale up. And if you follow this blueprint, then building a high income AI brand is completely possible and practical. Now, if you talk about money, once your page grows, you have multiple income streams, which is affiliate marketing, brand deals, or just digital products. For example, promoting products in your niche, selling presets or guides. You can also work with different types of brands. Now, this is how you move toward the $50,000 per month goal. Now, you don't hit 50K with just one account, you scale. You create multiple pages, you can test different niches, and then reuse winning content. At this stage, you're not just a creator, you're running a content machine. Now, once you're making money, you reinvest. You can hire the editors, or you can just automate the posting directly or hire developers for your automations, or also streamline your workflow. Your goal here is to spend less time and make more content and scale faster. This is how you turn a side project into a complete professional business that is upscaling and running. Now, AI influencers are one of the biggest opportunities right now. You don't need followers, you don't need experience. All you need is a system, consistency, and the right tools. And if you follow this blueprint, then building a high income AI brand is completely possible. Now, once you get used to this, you can scale up. Just remember that you can't go directly from $0 to $50,000 per month. Growing from $0 to $1,000 isn't about luck, it's about volume and timing. In the beginning, your only goal is exposure. You need to post consistently, ideally 2 to 3 times per day using short form content, and that is optimized for attention. You can focus on hooks that stop the scroll within the first 2 seconds, and don't worry about perfection. Your first 50 videos are just for testing. Now, if you want real results, you need a very simple plan. For the first 30 days, focus only on 3 things: content, consistency, and iteration. Post every single day without fail. Aim for at least 60 to 90-second videos in total during this period. And then by the end of 30 days, after scheduling everything, you won't just have content, you'll have a working system. Now, one of the biggest advantages of AI is speed, so instead of creating content daily, you can batch everything. Set aside one day to generate scripts, create visuals, and editing videos. Using tools like ChatGPT and CapCut, you can produce 20 to 30 videos in a single session, and this removes pressure and allows you to stay consistent without any burnout. And that is it for this video. If you found this helpful, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more AI business content like this. Let me know in the comments if you want a full client outreach script for agency setup guide. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.